Welcome back everyone. Surprisingly, there has just been a kind of a leaked video. I don't know what this is, but it's an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52. Now, I'm not going to play it on this video. I'm not even going to show any images because the last time that happened, I pretty much got that video taken down and it was very annoying. But this specific case, I saw the video. You can search for it yourself. I was surprised about the specific video seeing it on YouTube because this came out before even any announcement of the Galaxy A52. Now, surprisingly, within the unboxing, I was able to see that it does come with a charging block, I think the charging cable, but it also came with a plastic case as well, which was actually pretty surprising to me. Now, flipping through, it did come with a charging case, USB-C, thank God, and I was looking at the back of this phone, and it definitely doesn't look like it's, super glassy, but it doesn't look like it's super cheap like plastic either. This kind of looks better than the Samsung Galaxy S21 in terms of the back. So it does look like we are getting that quadruple camera setup. So quite possibly maybe a wide telephoto or ultra wide and maybe a macro and depth lens. But maybe it does have that telephoto lens too. I think that would be super crazy if it had triple and then maybe like a macro depth lens. Now on the front, I'm surprised to see that it still looks almost identical to the Samsung Galaxy A51. They look almost exactly the same. The chassis of the phone looks to be metal as well. And I think that's something that's super cool. Now they also do a little bit of a camera test almost identically to like how I do my camera test, which is so funny. Hopefully they got inspired, I don't know. And it still has that hole punch display, and I'm pretty sure it's going to have maybe the newest, watered down Qualcomm Snapdragon as the other ones have, or maybe the Exynos. I don't know which ones they're going to be having, but it does look like it's the full Samsung Galaxy A52. And when I saw it, I was shocked to see that actually, have an unboxing. It was pretty crazy. So again, we don't really know 100% when it's coming out. I think it's probably going to be coming out within the next, month or two, at least the announcements. So I think that's going to be really awesome. Some people have mentioned like, what's the price tag of it and everything. And they have, the people who have, leaked this out or whatever, I think they mentioned that it was around $450 for this type of device. So I think that's fine. I think that's kind of what I paid for my A51. And this one does seem to appear to be much better looking than the A51 and especially the A50. Now, my only thing is that I haven't really been able to see yet was whether this thing actually had a microSD card slot inside of it. I was not able to see any indication of it. It does come with IP certification, so IP67 dust and water resistance, so I think that's really cool. But as I mentioned, I was not able to see any mention of the microSD card slot, so I guess we'll see what happens when it officially comes out. But I hope it does come with a microSD card slot, to be honest. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up. If you guys want to look for it yourselves, you guys will be able to find it there. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.